If you use Zapier often, duplicating a Zap can save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding an automation from scratch, you can copy an existing Zap, make a few changes, and get it running again in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate a Zap in Zapier, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side of the screen and click on Assets. This is where Zapier keeps a lot of your reusable items, including workflows. Next, click on Zap Workflows. That will take you to the list of all the Zaps in your account. Now find the Zap you want to duplicate. You can scroll through the list until you see it, or use the search if you have a lot of automations built already. Once you've found the correct Zap, click the three dots next to it to open the Options menu. In that menu, you'll see an option for Duplicate. Click Duplicate, and Zapier will start creating a copy of that workflow. A confirmation window may appear, and if it does, just click Duplicate again to confirm the action. After that, Zapier will generate a new version of the Zap based on the original. From there, you can open the duplicate and make any edits you need, like changing the trigger, updating an action, swapping accounts, or testing a new workflow without affecting the original Zap. That's what makes duplication so useful. It gives you a safe starting point and lets you reuse your best automations instead of starting over every single time. If you're managing client accounts, building similar workflows for different projects, or just trying to stay organized, this feature is a huge time saver. Once your duplicate is created, be sure to review each step carefully before turning it on. That way, you can make sure everything is connected properly and the automation behaves exactly how you want it to. And that's it, you now know how to duplicate a Zap in Zapier. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of our Zapier tutorials for more automation tips and tricks.